Good morning. Welcome to today's pre-market video. Like I said yesterday, rather than just walk through slides, sometimes it's nice to do things a bit differently. To go roll up my sleeves and walk you through what I'm looking at. So let's start with Daar Comms. I saw a big trade in Daar Comms yesterday, curiosity caught my eye just to see what's happening with the stock. Fundamentally, this company has a long way to go, so it's not a fundamental play for me. It's more of a trade play. I want to see what's the lowest this stock has traded this year. This is looking like what 54 kobo a share. Yesterday closed at 99 kobo. Question I want to know is where is the resistance for this stock? This is the year to date, so you can see where's the resistance point, or where's the support rather. Um, is it close to support? I mean, you can see year to date, every time it touches this is what? See, can I hit it? This is looking like a mid 90s or early 90s mark. Um, so it's not far from support. What's the year high? Year high is looking like 1 naira 20 kobo. So I'll be watching this. Let me switch it to 6 month charts. Let's see. Apparently, the stock has decent volume, so I didn't even know this. I typically don't look at dark on volumes, but if you see in the 6 month chart and you see in the 9 month chart, clearly you can see that there's decent volume here. So I'll be watching this candle, this 86 kobo point, and let's see if it slips below that. So I'll be watching clearly. Let's see where it goes. This is the 6 month chart. Clearly, every time this stock dips below, just dips around the 1 naira mark, it's a place to watch from the 6 month perspective. So that's for Daar Communications. Next, I will be looking at NEM. I saw a big trade in NEM, and NEM has pulled back a bit. For this, I can kind of do fundamentals and technicals for this stock, because I mean decent fundamentals there. Year to date, what do we have? Let's see, where is the resistance for this stock? This is what 25.4. We're essentially at the point support level. Sorry, when we technical analysis, support is the baseline level below which the stock has broken down. If it trades below support, then it is broken down. Then resistance is a high point. So if you're going to look at this, you can see that resistance for this stock is somewhere around the 30 mark. Actually, this is 26. So um anytime it hits this level, this 25 level, it's very possible that the stock could break out. So you want to watch, but let's try the 6 months, or let's even see 1 month. Let's see, is there enough to trade 1 month? Nah, let's see 6 months from the candle perspective of things. So clearly we can see that this point, this price point, this 25 naira mark, is a critical point for this stock. I mean, stock has done well. It's up what? Year to date, it's up almost 100%. That's kind of fair. So I'll be watching here. Let's go look at technicals, fundamentals for this stock. Let's see. I don't know if it's a network thing or if it is a device thing, but it's just been hard on this device opening the corporate disclosure page. Let's see if we can search name insurance H1 20 or 9 months 2025. Yeah, I think those should be out. Or do I try another browser? Hmm. No. Let's try another browser. Let me see if it's a browser thing. What other browser can I use? Um, Edge. It's been a while I've used Edge, so let's just see if it works. NGX corporate disclosures. Hopefully it opens. Don't need this. So will it open? Not now. So it's a browser thing. Okay. Or maybe it's internet or whatever has changed in my device. We look at NEM. Q3. What do we have in terms of financials? For companies in the financial space, you can always look at book value. I mean, every firm. I mean, for insurance firms, there are other more technical ways to analyze them and all that, solvency ratios and all those things. But I'm not going to go into that. This is not a teaching class. So, total equity of 80.9. Let's see where the stock is trading at in terms of market cap. NEM has jumped sharply in the year to date so far, and it's also what I would call a tier one insurance firm. So it's not. I'm not surprised to see that the stock is trading that highly. I'm 6 minutes in. It seems like I may be stuck with only NEM insurance. Let's see if I can just do NEM insurance market cap. What do we have? Um, keep rolling. Market cap of 145 billion naira. That's as at November 20. That's a bit late. So let's look for something that is more recent. Kwayisi should have. Let's even use which is the most recent entry. I think this guy should have a fairly recent entry. Okay. What's the market cap here? Let's see in the market cap. They should have this. Market cap of 128 billion. Book value is 80. So price to book value should be 120 divided by 80, right? My math is correct. 128 divided by 80. Let's do the math. Calculation is price divided by, is that 80? Confirm. 80.9. So 120 divided by 80.9. That's about 1.48 times book value. So I mean it's pricey, but yeah, it's what you can call a tier one insurance firm. So that's probably fine in my view. The question you ask yourself is at what price point do you want to get into that? But let's also see if we can do PE valuation for the firm. This is my pet peeve or my peeve with this stock. I don't know why they don't calculate the EPS. I mean, it just makes my life easy. 9 months earnings per share, 9 months profit for the year is 20.5. 5 months of Q3 is 5 billion. So can I assume that okay, FY 2025 would be somewhere, let's say 24 billion. But can I refresh this? So let's say that's 24 billion. I don't have the OS in front of me. What's the OS? OS is 5 billion. So 24 divided by 5 divided by 5, 4.8. I mean, so from a PE ratio, clearly the stock is cheap because it's trading at about what? 4.8 times no earnings. That's cheap. Average PE ratio should be around 8 on the NGX. So clearly you can still see this stock at a 6x, 7x earnings and all that. So at that price point, you can clearly see that I hope my math is correct. I'm using it. And what do we have? So earnings per share is worth 4.8. Yeah. And the stock is at 24.5. So it's like 5 times earnings, right? Um, if you do the numbers, that should give you, I mean, I guess 30 naira wouldn't be bad for this stock on a PE ratio basis. But that's just my view. Anyways, I'm 9 minutes in. I wish I could go further, but long videos don't do well early in the morning. And it's all about the eyeballs and all that. See you later with the midday updates. Thank you.